How to replace a Human Touch Novo XT PRO SE main PCB. You will need a magnetized Phillips head screwdriver to complete this procedure. Be sure to save all removed parts for reassembly. To get started, power off the chair, then unplug it. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 3 screws that secure the rear shroud. Pull the rear shroud toward you to detach it, then turn it clockwise and rest it on the floor. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the 3 screws that secure the PCB cover. The 2 PCB cover corners facing the front of the chair are secured by a barbed tab. Push each corner of the cover toward the front of the chair to clear the tab lip, then pull firmly up on the cover to detach it. Remove all of the main PCB red connector locks by pulling upward on the release tab and then upward. Disconnect all of the connectors from the PCB. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 4 screws that secure the PCB to the tray, then remove the PCB from the chair. Now, let's replace it. Place the new PCB into position with the large green components facing the front of the chair, then replace the 4 screws to secure it. It's helpful to partially tighten the first screw, fully install the second screw, then finish tightening the first screw. Replace the connector locks on the red, white, and blue connectors in the right-hand corner facing the rear of the chair. Be sure the connector lock size matches the connector. Replace the connector locks on the white, black, and red connectors on the left-hand side of the PCB, making sure the connector lock size matches the connector. Replace the connector locks on the larger black connector and the smaller yellow, blue, red, white, and black connectors along the side of the PCB facing the front of the chair. Make sure the connector lock size matches the connector. Connect all of the connectors to the PCB, matching by size and color. Note the two slots on the PCB cover. Note the two tabs on the PCB tray. Lower the PCB cover slots over the PCB tray tabs, then use your fingers to confirm that the tabs are installed in the slots. Replace the 3 screws to secure the PCB cover. Note the slots on each side of the chair. Place the rear shroud into position, with the edges installed in the slots. Make sure the edges are installed in the slots, adjusting them if necessary. Replace the 3 screws to secure the shroud. Finally, plug in the chair, power it on, and you're done.